QR codes are essential for your brand. Not having a QR code is a loss of opportunity. Let's learn more how we can apply them successfully.
Stand out from other wine bottles and generate more sales. Make people more aware about your wine brand and the story behind it. Share experiences with your customers in a more interactive way by attaching a QR code on your wine bottle. Location. When you use QR codes, make sure your QR codes are placed strategically. You can either place QR codes in the neck of the wine bottle or even at the cap so that consumers immediately see the code on the shelves. Call for action. Don't forget to call for action with your QR codes like Scan Now, My Story, Scan and Win, or any other call for action that grabs attention. Having a call for action will generate 80% more scans. That's a significant difference. Creative landing pages. Make sure to link your QR codes to a landing page that is interactive, for example, a short video. Your landing page may contain a promotion or a link to a survey form to receive feedback from your consumers. Your QR codes on each label can also give users access to entertaining advice and even food recommendations. Use dynamic QR codes. Using dynamic QR codes will allow you to change the link of your QR code anytime as much as you want. If you have a lot of marketing campaigns, you can easily switch from a video landing page to a promotion landing page. One more thing, using dynamic QR codes allows you to track data of all your customer scans.
Thanks! I hope you learned a lot about QR codes. Don't forget to subscribe so you can learn more about how to apply QR codes successfully.